Hi Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 28th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity tarot reader. Let's just go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go. Let's go. We got the Two of Swords coming out first, Sagittarius. I'm getting you have a decision to make. You're not sure which side to take, but I'm getting you have all the information for both sides. So it's really up to you. As Alan Watts say, you can never have enough information to make a decision. You should know this. You can never have enough information about something to make a decision about something. You just go and make it whenever that decision happens, basically. Basically. We have a Six of Swords. I'm getting decision have to do with relocation. So you relocate or you go up on this cruise, something like that. We have a Death card. Don't go. I feel like, oh, this look like the submarine shit again. Where the whole of them going on the submarine and the submarine go fucking implode. We're getting careful what kind of boat trip you go on. Cause we're getting everything supposed to be fun. You and the guys are going out, go fishing and drinking beer. They're gonna drown you. They're going to push you off board and drown you and leave you there. Or they're gonna push you off and then take one of them and paddle and lick in your head so you can knock out underneath the water. They're going up under water. I drown them one, drown you so them can't find your body. You hear me tell you? You hear my blood tell you? Sagittarius, them want your body submerged underwater and lost underwater so them can't trace it back to nobody. The Three of Cups, yeah. Sorry, the Lovers. What kind of three-way thing you in? Cause I'm getting one girl and her man a plot on you. Or you and your man a plot on somebody else. I'm getting somebody that try to find a way to get rid of you. And the best thing they can get rid of you with, they're gonna bring you over water and then push you off. So it's either somebody man like you and she jealous as fuck, so now she and her man are gonna plot to kill you, or me getting she's seeing that her man showing symptoms of liking you and she need to get the fuck rid of you before. Cause me getting a set them gonna set you the fuck up. One girl and her man are set you the fuck up, you hear? Just don't say the girl and her man is working together. So on top of you having this, on top of you having this sour pussy bitch working towards you, now our mama sissy man at work. You have a man who is working full time to basically bring you the fuck down. He's a sissy. That's a mama man. That's a mom. You like to get your titties sucked up? You like sucking on your titties, don't? You're a mama man. So we're getting this couple going torment you basically. Or the couple are trying to find a way to get rid of you. I don't think you know the couple that well. I don't think you even affiliated with these people that well. But apparently these people hate you. Wow, why? Don't know why. They just don't like you. Maybe because somebody like you. Yeah, the Page of Cups, because you're sweet, you're nice, you're innocent. You're very positive. You're not negative. I'm getting you're just sweet. You're nice to be around. You're like a child to be around. Very nice. No offense taken here. Don't give no problem here. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, Ten of Swords. So I don't know. Are you if you're going to be the third wheel on a date with a girl and her man, do not go. You hear me tell you not go. Because I'm going to set you the fuck up, basically. Yeah, another three, they're going to set you the fuck up. We have 33, the Lovers. Yeah, and so I don't know if you work with our man. I don't know what you do. We're getting 3 people that work together. 2 is a girl, 1 is a guy. I'm getting there's something about jealousy here, where one girl jealous of the other girl, so she'll ask the man to help her get rid of her. Maybe somebody had the witchcraft, somebody had the spell work, high level magic, right? Maybe somebody had tried to sabotage you or take away opportunities from you. Or somebody does not want this person to work with you. Oh, the fuck, well, I'm sure your baby never want to get pushed out of your blood clot. As a matter of fact, I'm sure your baby had an easy delivery the way your pussy did already big, blood clot big, right? So that's what I'm getting. You need to be careful. Not go over no water, not go on the boat with these people. Because I'm getting somebody and them man or somebody and them woman that try to set you the fuck up. Set you the fuck up. You hear me tell you? So you want to say you want to go on cruise. Go on that little boat. Go in that submarine. Remember, see if you have a blood clot come back. I tell you, friend was the death of blood clot, Jesus. Friend was the death of fucking Jesus. Then can tell us that Jesus never did. What did Jesus do wrong? All them attack about say Jesus Christ sacrificed his only begotten son for us. Not no blood clot though so. What Jesus did do wrong? Jesus did rape nobody? Jesus did kill nobody? Was Jesus a pedophile? Or was Jesus homosexual while them kneeling on a blood clot cross? This is the only fucking way I can make sense of this blood clot shit. Why would they nail Jesus on a cross? Because Jesus fuck man. That's why. Because even back in those days, they would burn you. They wouldn't nail you on a cross. Who gets nailed on a cross? Who says, you know what, I'm gonna fuck this bitch up. You know what, give me 6 nails. Who the fuck says that? They would burn you on a cross. Or set you afire alive. Or stone you to death, right? Great. So what Jesus did really do wrong? Yeah, Tim said Jesus never did nothing wrong. His father just sacrificed him for humanity. So why did Jesus never asked to be here? You think Jesus was there when whosoever did get fucking our hole? Oh, I'm sorry, the Holy Spirit fuck her in our hole. It wasn't a person, great, because she was impregnated by the Holy Spirit. Great, alright, fine, great. Okay, so Jesus didn't ask to come here. You brought him here, and he was following the rules, and you sacrificed him. I didn't want to prove a point. They said that him was save the rest of the people who don't have powers like him. He did nothing wrong, and you guys killed him. Imagine what I'm to me knowing that half a Scarborough know how much it tastes, right? This is crazy. Don't go. Do not go. Let me tell you, I'm not gonna wait. Stay where you stay. As my mother would tell me, stay at your yard. Where you go? Capricorn, the devil. Are we have recording devices? Where you gone? Third eye. That's a story that they did not tell you. That's why they tell you about wolf in sheep's clothing. Be very wary. You don't harbor a friend, especially when it comes onto your beliefs. You know, and it's not a group effort to make a belief in something. God wants your soul only, not you and your friend. Because you and your friend now go to the same place now, fucking heaven. You're probably in a VIP and them in a blood clot basic package. And 11-11. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.